Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making a roasted garlic lemon broccoli. So what we're going to do here, what you're going to need is, I got some broccoli cuts in the bag. It calls for 2 florets and you cut them up, but I just got the broccoli because I don't usually do cut the things up that much. So gonna need the teaspoon of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of oil, and half teaspoon of black pepper, and half teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic. Of course they call for a clove, and diced, minced up, so it's already minced up in this, so saved me a little bit of time. And a half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Might want to put a little bit more on that for this recipe since I'm alright. So as I said, it calls for the florets, but I got these cut up here, so the big ones. So I got these up. I'm going to cut them up, or I already got these already cut, so we're going to go ahead and start with this. So let's go see how this turns out, guys. Okay guys, we got a large mixing bowl here. What we're going to do, I'm going to open these up. These are frozen ones, so I'm going to just open this up. Probably let these thaw a little bit if you want to, but I don't know if it'll make that much of a difference if they're still frozen when you do it. Just make your hands cold. Okay, so I got put the oil in there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my salt, mix in the pepper. We'll put in the garlic. And we'll put in a little bit of lemon juice, and I think I might just put a tad bit more. Put a little bit more in there. Oh, that might be too much, but oh well. Get a lemon taste. So here we go. We're gonna take this here. Lid on here, shake it up pretty good, get it good and shook up. Alright, then we got our baking sheet. I got the oven preheating to 400 degrees. Let's spread this out. Alright, so okay guys, I'm going to put this in the oven, and it's going to go for about 20 minutes, and we're going to take it out and see how it turns out. So we'll see you shortly. Alright guys, I got this all done. Let's look at that. Well guys, I'm going to let this cool for a little bit, and then I'm going to give it a good taste, see how it turned out, but it looks good. Alright, see you guys in a minute or two here. Okay guys, let it cool to here. I'm going to go ahead and scoop some of this up, put it on my plate here, and make a great little side dish. I'm going to have something else with this here, but we're going to give this a try and get this piece right here. Yeah, look at that. That looks so good. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is good. Oh my. Okay guys, this is the roasted garlic lemon broccoli. It does taste so good. You could probably put a little bit less pepper on it, but than what I did. But it is good. Maybe I could even put a little bit more broccoli in it. Hey, but hey, this is really good. I used the frozen instead of the cutting the 2 florets up. But it's really good. So take time to comment below. And if you haven't already, give this subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next video. You guys enjoy the day that the Lord has made, and I'll see you later. I'm gonna finish this up here. Oh my. Good flavor.